Welcome back to another video. Today we are solving question 496, next greater element 1 within LeetCode. So let's go ahead and learn and code together. In this question, we are given two arrays, num1s, nums1 and nums2. Each array is its own length and has its own unique values. Our goal is to go through each index of nums1, find where that index is within nums2, and see if there is a greater element to the right of that. And if there is, we're going to append that to a new array. If there is not a greater element, then we're going to append -1. So let's go ahead and get into the actual code. So first we need to initialize our answer, which is going to be an empty array to start with. Then we can go ahead and start our loop. So we'll say for I in the range of the length of nums1. And then for our nested for loop, we can say for j in the range of the length of nums2, since they are different lengths. But with this guy, we're going to do it a little bit differently. So we are going to actually start this guy at the index of I. So we'll say nums2 dot index of nums1 I. And there we go. Now what we need to check for is if j is actually, sorry, 1 second, we can actually do actually we'll just leave it there. So what we'll do is say, hey, is nums2, the current index, greater than nums1I? So we'll say if nums2 is greater than nums1I, then we can append this to our final value. So we'll say append nums2j, so the current element we're on, and then we'll just go ahead and break the loop immediately. And then if we do get to the end of nums2, we need to push -1 because we know that we are at the end of the loop and there's no more elements to check. So we'll say ants append -1, and this is actually in the list, so we'll say else if j plus 1 is equal to the length of nums2. And then from here, we can just simply return our answer value, and that should be good. So let's go ahead and run this. Here we go. Let's go ahead and submit this. Awesome. So there is my answer for 496, next greater element number 1 within LeetCode. If you guys learned anything at all, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell as I'm posting a video every single day, and I'm solving a LeetCode question every single day. Also, go ahead and leave your solutions in the comments below. Other than that, have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow.